The mission of Operation Bugle Boy is to support and honor our local veterans, troops, and first responders. And the September 11th attacks is what really gave birth to this mission. A couple of days after September 11th, I was a nobody. I kind of still am in Jefferson City. I called a guy named Pete Atkins. I was nervous as heck when I called him. I had never spoken to him before. Of course, I knew who he was. And Coach had recently retired. He had retired actually a couple weeks before I started at Jefferson High School. I called Coach Atkins and introduced myself and asked him if he would support the idea to get Helias and Jefferson High School together to rake leaves, to raise money for the victims of September 11th. And Coach Atkins and his wife Lorraine have been, there's hundreds and hundreds of people I can mention, but nobody has been more instrumental in the success of Operation Bugle Boy than Pete and Lorraine Atkins. So we've had about 75 activities and events. Well, the first thing that we did was we got about 300 students involved in an Operation Leaf Relief, and we raised $15,000 for the families of the victims of the September 11th attacks. That was in the fall of 2001. Through Operation Leaf Relief, we organized many community leaders like Pete Atkins, Carl Vogel, Mike Keogh, and we had started something very special. And being a guidance counselor at Jefferson City High School, I was able to enlist the help of a lot of wonderful students. Every year for several years, we put together projects, ideas with great community help to support our mission, which I mentioned earlier. We've had students write thousands of letters of support to our troops, our veterans, our first responders. We've donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to worthy causes. And I say that very generously. It was the community that donated the money to us, which we distributed to the worthy causes. Probably the Veterans Appreciation Night, which what people I think of when they think of Operation Bugle Boy, is our annual fall event for area veterans. We get nationally known speakers to come in, be part of the program, and maybe the best part is we get students to treat those veterans like the heroes that they really are. And what an impression it makes on our young people. We sell wristbands for heroes. I wore them today if I could show them off. The blue police, law enforcement, white EMS, S is for firefighting. And we raise a lot of money selling wristbands for heroes. We do that we call it Patriot Saturday, the Saturday before September the 11th. Last week I wrote nearly 600 thank you letters to the folks that volunteered and donated last year. The most important volunteers are definitely the students. It means a great deal. Operation Bugle Boy is very humble and grateful to receive this very important award. A veteran would tell you the best way to show support for their service and sacrifice is to get up every day, be a good person, go to work, and try to make this country worthy of their sacrifice. And there's an awful lot of folks in Jefferson City that do that.